A serious epidemiological event has taken place. The hunger pathogen, an extremely dangerous but thankfully quite rare disease, has undergone a zoological shift and has been isolated in gray wolves and coyotes. It is currently unknown if they can pass the pathogen to humans or if it is an independent strain, but experts have determined that even if it is impossible now, it may develop very soon. The pathogen seems to experience several differences when inside a canid host. One of the first symptoms is unusual quietness and lethargy, taking frequent naps and not barking or growling as often. This can begin as soon as a few hours after infection. After this, they have been observed following around others of their kind as well as humans. They seem to prefer remaining unseen while tailing their preferred target and display agitation on being directly observed. Autopsies have revealed that due to a mix of physiological changes and the damage to the larynx, infected animals are unable to make vocalizations such as barking, snarling, and growling. Even if injured, they will remain silent. At this point, usually a few weeks after the infection event, the animal will begin experiencing what is assumed to be the signature extreme hunger of the pathogen and begin attacking any living thing it can find. Strangely, the infected do not display normal hunting patterns or even a berserker rage. Instead, they will silently approach prey before attacking the throat. Similar to their human counterparts, these infected hounds, called Cervidae hounds, exhibit growth and creation of antlers. The oldest Cervidae hounds can be the size of bears and are extremely dangerous. The oldest Cervidae hounds also have their vocal cords replaced, allowing them to utter a deep baying howl to frighten prey into running and draw other hounds to join the hunt. Even human Wendigos have been known to respond to this call. An audio recording has been recorded of a hound, approximately 2 kilometers from the recording equipment, and will be played shortly. If you hear this howl, please find shelter immediately. Both Cervidae hounds and Wendigos are extremely dangerous and can pass on the hunger pathogen to you. The hounds have mostly been found in Florida but have been reported in nearby states. Please keep this in mind for the immediate future, as it may be vital for your continued survival. Thank you for listening.